Hey y'all, I'm cooking for one again tonight, so I'm thinking something pretty easy and simple is going to do the trick tonight. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I know my worth. I hope you know yours because you're important. Don't ever forget your worth. I'm just cooking for one today, so I want it to be something very simple. I'm thinking I'm going to do maybe some orange chicken and fried rice, but I'm going to take the easy route on the chicken. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to start by putting some of this chicken in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. I've got my chicken. I've got the sauce. I'm going to discard the sauce. I won't throw it away. I will put it back in my freezer and find somebody who will use it. I will not. In the oven it goes. I'm going to be making my own orange sauce for my chicken. So you're going to need some orange marmalade, barbecue sauce, and soy sauce. Or in my case, liquid aminos. You're going to use 1/4 to 1/2 cup of orange marmalade. And then you're going to be using 1/8 of a cup to 1/4 of a cup of your barbecue sauce. You're going to add in about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Get that mixed in with the rest of your ingredients. You just want to heat this sauce through. You're not actually cooking it. I'm going to get my fried rice started. You want to take some oil. I'm using olive oil. Put you some oil in your pan. To that oil, I'm going to add a little bit of onion. Once your onions start sauteing up, you want to take your rice. I have 1 cup of rice that I cooked earlier. Add your rice into your pan with your onion. Stir that around, let it start frying up. You also want to go ahead and add in some peas and carrots. You want to cook this until your peas and carrots are heated completely through and your rice is starting to brown a little bit. I'm going to add some black pepper. Some onion powder. I'm also going to add a little ground ginger. I've made a little hole right there in the center of my rice. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil right there in the center. And let that get nice and hot. And I'm going to take 1 egg. I'm going to break it right in the center of the pan. I'm going to start scrambling that egg up. Once your egg starts getting scrambled, you want to take it and just mix it in with the rice and veggies. And you want to take your soy sauce or liquid aminos, put you a tablespoon or two in there. Get it all mixed up. It looks and smells delicious. Let's get that chicken finished. Our orange sauce is nice and bubbly. My chicken is out of the oven. We're going to get it combined. Okay, you want to take your chicken. I put mine just in a bowl. And I'm going to take my sauce. And I'm just going to pour it in on that chicken. And I'm going to stir it around. I want all that chicken nice and coated with the sauce. If you wanted to, you can put this back in the oven to let that sauce cook onto that chicken if you want to. I'm not going to. I think that's going to be perfect just like it is. So let's get this dinner plated up. And there you have it, fried rice and orange chicken. I'm going to add some sesame seeds to my chicken. I'll add a few to my fried rice also. And I'm going to top my fried rice with some green onions. There you have it. Orange chicken and fried rice. It looks and smells delicious. Let's go eat. That was a super simple sauce I made, but it tastes so good. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you also know that it's okay to take the easy route when you cook. It's okay. I hope you'll come back for another video. Please like this video, share, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.